Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're featuring our Sharknose Cyclekart. This is pretty well done now. Paint's done, bodywork's done. We got it on the track for the first time at Harris Hill Raceway in San Marcos, Texas. And so far it's done well. This is early in the day right now, and we'll have a little video for later. But the cart really handles well on the track, and it looks great. The reception of the car has been really good. People seem to really enjoy it. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the paint. This was rattle can Rust-Oleum paint. I just polished it with wet sandpaper and then polished it with rubbing compound and wax. I was able to make the rear hatch so that the air cleaner functions through the rear hatch, through the velocity stacks. So there's a 2.5 inch flexible tubing there, basically something you would use on a vacuum cleaner sort of thing. So it made this one here functional. And then the gas tank, we can just fill the gas right through this flipper right here. We've got it set up to where I can take the cap off underneath and then fill through here. Makes it really nice. It's a flip top for like a Volkswagen Bug. So the interior, we've got the steering wheel completed. This is our Renegade metal steel blank. And I did a little engine turning on it and then clear coated it. And again, we've also engine turned and clear coated the dash. And I left the interior panels raw aluminum. I scuffed them with Scotch-Brite pads to kind of make them look a little more uniform. They're not perfect, but they're pretty close. Right now we just got some Harbor Freight floor mats basically for seats. Later we'll upholster that with probably some blue vinyl upholstery. But yeah, things are coming together on this. I think it looks really good. I had the lettering.com make my stickers. We custom made, Steven, my son, custom made and designed the my faux unicorn. Now, in fairness to Carlos Sainz, we did design the unicorn design before he added a unicorn to his helmet. So, I'm not saying I caused that, but hey, if I can take credit for his success, I'll try to. So we've also changed the initials on the traditional badge to my initials, or Scuderia Vinsoni, if you're of the Italian persuasion. And yeah, super happy with this car. I really thank you all for watching and following along with us along the journey. This has been a fun project, and we do have plans we're going to be releasing on the Etsy page, so look for that in the near future. Plans primarily for the frame. This frame plan will be usable for just about any early Formula One car that has a mid-engine arrangement, whether it be Lotus or almost any of those cars from the late 50s, early 60s, and maybe in some of the early 50s whenever the first mid-engine cars came along. Of course, this originally would be a 1.5 liter displacement V6 that was compliant with the 1961 Formula One regulations. And we've liveried it the number 2 in honor of the legendary driver Phil Hill. If you don't know who Phil Hill is and the original Sharknose history, you really should Google it. It's a pretty fascinating story. So thanks for following along, guys. Like, subscribe, share the video with your friends. Get out in the garage and build something cool.